emergency?
My mummy's fallen over.
Right, what's the address, my love?
I don't know.
Right, are you at your house?
Yeah.
Right, do you have a letter there that you could get?
No.
Is there anybody around that you can ask the address? Is there anybody else there with you?
No.
Well, can you put your mummy on the phone?
I can't 'cause she's fallen down.
Right. Is she awake?
No.
She's not.
No.
Right. Is your door unlocked?
No, it's locked and I can't find the key.
Right. Is there anybody walking past your house that you could shout?
No.
What's your name?
It's Ellie.
It's what, sorry?
It's Ellie.
Erin. Right.
Yes.
Right, where's your mummy now?
She's lying on the kitchen floor.
She's lying on the kitchen floor.
Yes.
Can you wake your mummy up?
No. I've tried wiggling her about and shouting her, but she won't wake up.
Do you live near to anything? Can you remember if you live near to anything? Any, did you live near to any shops?